A very good morning, children. This is me, Furat Hussain, and I'm your English teacher. Today, we will learn what is sentence. At first, you should know what is the definition of sentence. Okay? Then let's start. See here, a group of words which are arranged in a proper order and gives a complete sense is called sentence. A sentence must have a verb. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, question mark or exclamatory mark. Now children, see, for framing a sentence, there should be a group of words. What does it mean? It means there should be more than one word. Then it will form a sentence. And it should be arranged in a proper order. Then only it can give a complete meaning or complete sense. So these all are the conditions for framing a sentence. Okay. Now children, let's see some examples so that your concept will be clear. Let's move to the examples. See here. First one is your India is. Then I have crossed it. It means what? It means it is not a sentence. Then now there might be a question in your mind that was it not a sentence? Then let me clear you, because it is not giving a complete meaning. Okay. See here, there are group of words. It means what? There are more than one word, but still it is not a sentence. Okay, because this is not giving a complete meaning or complete sense. Now come to the next. India is a country. I have ticked it. It means what? It is a sentence. And what is the reason behind this? Then because there are group of words and they are arranged in a proper order also, and it has been ended with a full stop, that is a punctuation mark, and the most important condition is that it is giving a complete meaning. That's why it is a sentence. Now coming to the second example, what is? See children, I have crossed it. It means what? It is also not a sentence. Then why? What is the reason behind this? Because see children, this sentence has been started with a word what. Okay, then there should be a question mark at the end of the sentence, but there is no question mark. Instead of question mark, it is given full stop. So it is clear that it is not a sentence. And see, it is not giving a complete meaning also. What is? Then what is the meaning of this? What is what? There is no such meaning. So this is not a sentence. Coming to the next one. What is in your hand? See, I have ticked it. It means what? It is a sentence. Then what is the reason behind this? Because it is fulfilling all the conditions for framing a sentence. And what are those conditions? Then there should be group of words. Here a group of words are there. So second one is your, it should be arranged in a proper order. Here it is arranged in a proper order. Third one is your, it should start with a capital letter. See the word what? It has been started with capital letter. W is written in capital letter. Okay. And it should be ended with punctuation mark. And here question mark is required. That's why here we have put question mark. That's why it is a sentence, and it is giving a complete meaning. So it is a sentence. Now let's move to the third one. Chase plays Sneha. Is it a sentence? Then no, it is not a sentence. Then what is the reason behind this? Same, because these words are not arranged in a proper order. You can see here, Chase plays Sneha. Is it arranged in a proper order? No. And it is also not giving a complete meaning. See children, for framing a sentence, subject should be at the beginning of the sentence. And here, Sneha is your subject and it is at the end of the sentence. That's why it is not a sentence. And see, it is not arranged in a proper order. That's why it is not giving a complete meaning. Fine. Now, let's move to the other example. Sneha plays chess. I have arranged same example which was written in the third one. I have arranged it. Now it has become a sentence. How? Because now I have arranged it. It means what? It has been arranged in a proper order, and that's why it is giving a complete meaning. So it is a sentence. So children, the word sneha. The first letter of this word sneha is S, and that is started with a capital letter. And at the end of the sentence, here it is given full stop. It means it is fulfilling all the conditions for framing a sentence. That's why it is a sentence. I hope you must have understood well, and there will be no question in your mind and no doubt. So thank you and have a lovely day. Bye bye.